Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Haven Lim on the line, bringing you on another video. And yeah, today we're gonna do another math lesson. Today what I'm gonna cover is what I call SURDS. Okay, so first things first, let's define what is SURDS. An irrational number that comprises of square root or cube root. Okay, this is called a surd. But what is an irrational number? Okay, so let's just define that first. Okay, irrational number is a number that cannot be expressed as a fraction for any integers. Okay, good. And also it also implies that decimals do not terminate. Numbers like the Euler's number E, 2.718281828, or pi 3.1415926, blah blah blah. So that's the first part. Okay, so second part, we're going to define what is square root and or cube root. Okay, so what is square root? 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, blah blah blah, and so on and so forth. Basically two numbers that multiply together side by side twice. Okay, so this is what happens when you multiply the numbers 3 times, sorry my camera, 3 times side by side. Yeah, so it's 1 times 1 times 1, 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so basically we already have defined the meaning of it. Okay, so basically what we're going to do now is examples. Give me a moment. Okay, so basically what we have defined, what surds, right? So what we're going to do is to solve some surds questions, some basic surds question. What is root 100? First step, what are the factors of 100? Just name them all for, you know, for the sake of visualizing. But actually, if you know it, you can memorize it in your brain, like the root numbers which we have discussed earlier, which is this. Yes, we can apply it to this. So basically, for this example, we have chosen 25 times 4. And what is 25 times 4? This is 25 times 4. So basically, you have to separate them into root 25 times root 4. Essentially the same as this. Essentially the same. And what's root 25? 5. What's root 4? 2. So 5 times 2, 10. Makes sense, right? Okay, let's move on to the next one. Root 56. So 56 times 1, 8 times 7, 2 times 28. So basically we're going to factor out every single factor of 56 again. And we're going to select this as example. 8 times 7. Okay, good. Well, guess what? You have to split them up. Root 8 times root 7. But guess what? Root 8 is 4 times 2, right? Sorry, 4 times 2. But what is 4? 4 is a root number, right? Established here. So basically you split this up again. Root 4 times root 2. Then carry down. So root 7. Okay. So root 4 is 2. Essentially. So basically root 2 times root 7 is equals to 2 times root 2 times 7. You combine these together. So basically it becomes 7 times 2 is 14. So 2 root 14. This is a surd form. If the question asks for surd form, that is. But if the question asks for the final answer, which is numerical form, this will be the answer. Okay, in decimal place, 7.483314. Now let's move on to a practice question, which is root 300. Okay, sorry, yeah, I posted the answer here, but you can try it out after you actually test them out. So actually this is one of the answers, but I wouldn't suggest that you use this answer. I would actually suggest that you use other answers, but this answer is actually the most suitable answer. Again, factor out, do the factors, but we're going to use 3 times 100. Example use 100 times 3. Okay, what is 100? No, because you have to split them up. Root 100 times root 3, right? Okay, what's 100? 25 times 4. So essentially this is 25 times 4 root times 3. So basically, like, you have to split these two up. Root 25 times root 4, right, times root 3. What's root 25? 5. Root 4, 2. Root 3, just carry down to root 3, because it can't be expressed as, sorry, my camera has a bit problems. Root 3 can't be expressed as a fraction, therefore irrational number, which is this. 5 times 2 is 10. Times root 3. 10 times root 3 is 10 root 3. Yeah. For the last example that I'm going to show you guys is root 79. But guess what? 79 doesn't have any factor. It's a prime number itself already. So 1 times 79 is its only factors. But guess what? You have to still split them up. So it's root 1 times root 79. Okay? Establish that. Okay? So what's root 1? Just 1. It's just 1. It's just 1. Okay, so basically this, alright, 1 times 79, 1 times root 79. But the 1 is not written. So we remove the 1 and it's written as root 79, right? 79. I forgot to underline this. Okay, I don't know, I'm not a left-hander, man. Okay, so this is basically SURDS. Yes. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel for more new maths content. I'll be posting a new channel update soon enough. So yeah, stay tuned to that. Bye.